If you're hunting around for an AI agent or AI automation tool and you're not really sure what you're doing, then this 4-word Google search could really help you out. If you haven't heard of Product Hunt before, it's a place where people can launch their latest products. They can get attention on it. They can get people to test it out. If you put the search term that you're looking for, like AI agent, AI automation, AI chatbot, AI content marketing, whatever phrase you're looking for, into Google, what it will do is it will bring you Product Hunt listings. If you want to take this a step further, then you can put in URL that will search just on Product Hunt. Obviously, you've got to have the Product Hunt together, and I would also put .com, and then that will make sure that you're bringing up what is on the actual Product Hunt website. Then what you'll do is you'll get a list of results, and then you can just go through them one by one. You can obviously also use their search, but often in Google, you get different results too if you use their search. Then all you've got to do is go through and check out the tool and see if you like it. You can go straight to view the website. You can check out the reviews. You can check out the actual tool itself and what people are saying about it and read through the reviews. And then you can just go through and see a few of these and see which ones you like. The other thing I really like about this as well is that you get suggested similar products. So there's other products here that do a similar thing that then you can also go ahead and you can check out. So for example, Gumloop, I can click on that one there. It will take me through to the Gumloop page. I can see straight away with Gumloop that it's no code, it's an automation tool, it's for building AI agents, and it's got 9 reviews, so it's got more reviews than these two here. It's got a good number of followers, and then I can go through and I can learn more about it. And as I said before, you can read the reviews. All you've got to do then is you can click this the button here, go through to their website, and then you can check it out. So for something like Gumloop, for example, I know that they've got a free trial, so I can go down, I can check out their pricing, and I can check out their free trial and decide if this is one that I want to test out. So just one of the many ways that you can go about using a Google search in order to find something that is going to solve the problem you are facing when it comes to finding the right AI tool for the job that you're trying to do. See you in the next one.